What are the forces propelling the evolution of healthcare into the future? A question that's on the minds of many as we navigate the landscape of modern medicine. The key drivers reshaping healthcare are as varied as they are influential. First up, we have aging populations. As the baby boomer generation reaches their twilight years, the demand for healthcare is skyrocketing. This demographic shift is not just about an increase in demand, but a shift in the types of care needed. Chronic diseases, cognitive decline, and the need for long-term care are becoming more prevalent, pushing the healthcare industry to adapt and innovate. Then there's the data revolution. The explosion of data in the digital age is transforming how we understand health and disease. From electronic health records to wearable fitness trackers, healthcare providers now have access to an unprecedented amount of information. This data is not just about tracking health stats. It's about using this information to predict, prevent, and treat diseases in ways we never thought possible. Next, we dive into the world of science and technology. Advances in this field are reshaping healthcare at an extraordinary pace. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and genomic medicine are just a few examples of how technology is driving a more personalized, proactive, and effective approach to care. Shifting consumer expectations are also a major driver. Today's patients are more informed, more connected, and more empowered than ever before. They demand convenience, transparency, and a personalized approach to their care. This consumer-centric shift is driving innovations in telehealth, digital health tools, and patient-centered care models. Lastly, there's a focus on costs and outcomes. The rising cost of healthcare is a global concern, pushing the industry to find new ways to deliver high-quality care at a lower cost. There's a growing emphasis on value-based care, where providers are rewarded for outcomes rather than the volume of services provided. These drivers are the catalysts for transformative changes in healthcare, setting the stage for groundbreaking innovations. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare, paving the way for a future where medicine is more personalized, accessible, and effective than ever before. Opening. How are innovations in diagnostics and testing changing the face of healthcare? As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the sphere of diagnostics and testing is undergoing a significant transformation. The focus is shifting from traditional methods to more advanced, precise, and rapid technologies, offering patients and healthcare professionals a new horizon of possibilities. A key innovation in this field is point-of-care testing. This breakthrough enables medical professionals to conduct tests at the patient's bedside, providing immediate results. The advantage? Swift diagnosis and treatment, saving precious time in critical situations. Next, we have liquid biopsies, a non-invasive alternative to surgical biopsies. These tests detect genetic material from tumors circulating in the blood, offering a less painful and more convenient method for tracking the progress of diseases like cancer. Artificial intelligence is also making waves in diagnostics. AI imaging analytics are now able to examine medical images, such as X-rays and MRI scans, with remarkable accuracy. This not only reduces the workload for radiologists, but also aids in the early detection and treatment of diseases. Virtual colonoscopies are another game changer. This non-invasive procedure uses CT scans to create a 3D model of the colon, making the process more comfortable and less time-consuming for patients. The list continues with biomarker tests, which detect molecular signs of health conditions, and genetic testing, which identifies changes in chromosomes, genes, or proteins that might indicate a genetic disorder. These tests are crucial in predicting disease risk and guiding personalized treatment plans. Finally, we have digital diagnostics. These tools use digital technology, such as smartphone apps and wearable devices, to monitor health and detect diseases. They empower individuals to take control of their health, promoting preventive care and early intervention. Closing. These diagnostic innovations are revolutionizing early detection and disease management, leading to more personalized and effective treatments. What breakthroughs in treatment and care are on the horizon? As we journey forward into the future of healthcare, a handful of transformative approaches are taking center stage. Among these, gene editing is a standout. This technique allows scientists to alter an organism's DNA, providing the potential to correct genetic defects and prevent certain diseases right at their source. Then we have immunotherapy, a treatment that's redefining the battle against cancer by empowering our own immune system to identify and combat cancer cells. It's a powerful shift from conventional treatments, promising fewer side effects and improved results. Next, we're seeing the rise of robot surgery. These automated assistants are reshaping the operating room, offering unparalleled precision and reducing the risk of human error. It's like having a surgeon with an infallible hand and an inexhaustible stamina. Nanomedicine is also making waves. By working at a molecular level, we can target diseases more specifically and deliver medication directly where it's needed, reducing side effects and increasing effectiveness. Stem cell therapy, on the other hand, is opening up new avenues in regenerative medicine. By harnessing the power of these unique cells, we can potentially repair damaged tissues and organs, or even grow new ones. 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare too. From printing personalized prosthetics to creating models for surgical planning, its applications are wide and varied. The future also holds a new approach to patient monitoring. Remote patient monitoring systems are enabling doctors to keep track of patients' health in real time, no matter where they are. This not only increases convenience for patients, but also allows for timely interventions. Last but not least, telemedicine is breaking down geographical barriers, making healthcare accessible to all, no matter how remote their location might be. It's a game changer in the delivery of healthcare services, offering consultations, diagnoses, and even treatments, all from the comfort of one's home. These advancements promise a future of healthcare that is more proactive, personalized, and effective. How are medical data and analytics reshaping healthcare? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. At the heart of this transformation is the advent of electronic health records, or EHRs. These digital versions of patient charts are real-time, patient-centered records that make information available instantly and securely to authorized users. EHRs hold the promise of all providers involved in a patient's care having access to the same information, leading to better coordination and outcomes. Meanwhile, health wearables, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can monitor heart rate, sleep patterns, blood glucose levels, and more. This continuous stream of data can be analyzed to give a detailed picture of a person's health and lifestyle, allowing for proactive interventions and personalized healthcare plans. Next up, we have medical analytics. This involves the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that can help in predicting disease progression and tailoring treatments. It's like having a super smart detective on the case, sifting through clues to solve the mystery of what's happening in our bodies. Let's not forget about clinical decision support, or CDS. These tools provide health professionals with patient-specific assessments or recommendations to aid clinical decision-making. Imagine a GPS for healthcare, guiding clinicians along the best path of care. Lastly, we have population health research. This is the study of health outcomes and the social, economic, and environmental factors that influence these outcomes within groups of people. By studying these trends on a large scale, we can better design and implement interventions to improve health and reduce health disparities. These data-driven innovations are paving the way for a healthcare system that is more predictive, preventative, and personalized. They are not just changing the way we manage health and disease, but also how we understand them. As we continue to innovate and harness the power of data, the future of healthcare is looking brighter than ever. What does the future of healthcare look like in different parts of the world? In the European Union, the future of healthcare is shaping up to be more integrated and digital. The focus is on using technology to improve the access and quality of care. Think artificial intelligence for diagnostics, telemedicine for consultations, and digital health records for streamlined patient information. Across the pond in the United States, the future holds a healthcare system that is more personalized, with a shift towards preventative care. Advances in genomic medicine will allow for treatments tailored to individual genetic makeup. And with the rise of health wearables, consumers will be empowered to play a more active role in their health management. Down under in Australia, the vision for healthcare is becoming more community-centered. There's a growing emphasis on delivering care in the home and the community to help manage chronic diseases and aging populations. This includes innovations like remote patient monitoring and mobile health services. Up north in Canada, the future of healthcare is about improving access and affordability. The focus is on reducing wait times and cost barriers. This includes exploring new models of care like nurse-led clinics and collaborative care teams, as well as harnessing the power of telehealth to reach remote communities. Meanwhile, in Asia, the future of healthcare is looking high-tech with robotics and AI emerging as key players. Robots are being used for surgeries, and AI is being utilized for everything from reading scans to predicting patient outcomes. Regardless of the region, one thing is clear. The future of healthcare is all about innovation. It's about leveraging technology and data to deliver better outcomes, about shifting the focus from illness to wellness, from reactive to proactive care. The future of healthcare is on the cusp of a revolution, promising a world where